Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Cardano holders, wake up! That is the urgent update for all holders of the Andriod coin, and absolutely, my friends, now the quick jump of the Cardano is very soon. So, guys, keep watching this video complete because in this video I'm talking about the Cardano pump. So, never miss this pump of the Cardano. Guys, before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, let's start the video. The currently live and latest price of the Cardano in the market is 1.44 USD dollar. That is the currently live and latest price of the Cardano in the market. And guys, on the other hand, if you look the changes occur the Cardano, so now just in only the last 1 hour changes is negative, except after the last 1 hour the previous changes of the Cardano is completely going positive. The previous changes, I'm talking about the last 7 days from the 1st August, my friends. From the 1st August to the 8th August today, the price of Cardano is completely positive, and still I hope just only the last 16 minutes price changes is a negative, but I hope it is a temporary changes, and after some percent, after a few minutes, the price change will again become positive, my friends. So don't worry about this kind of temporary change. Now you can see, my friends, in this time the price jump, but just look here, let me zoom in, my friends, let me zoom in the latest situation of the Cardano for better understanding. Now you can see here in the latest situation, now you're in the pumping mood, so very soon guys, the changes of the Cardano will become positive, my friends. So guys, as I told you in my many videos that Cardano in August, every coin is a profitable in August. So guys, a short-term investor of Cardano, I also request all of you, I also recommend for all of you to please hold for a long time, and especially my friends, for short-term investor, just sell at the last of August. At the last of August, sell your Cardano. Anyways, what you think about Cardano, also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.